How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can make threaded holes in Freecad. So I'm going to create a new file right here, and let's go ahead and create a very simple shape, which is going to be a simple box. And then of course, let's then click path. Now that we have our main shape, the next thing that you want to do is to click create body, click on the surface that you want to apply the threaded holes into, click create sketch, make independent copy, and then now you want to go ahead and draw your threaded hole. So in my case, it's going to be right here. Now I'm fine with this one, but of course you could move it maybe to the corners if you want to. But since this is only an example, let's go ahead and stick with this one. From there, you want to click on hole, and then it will actually apply the hole onto our object right here. But before you go ahead and finish, you also want to make sure to navigate through profile, and then you want to click one of these profiles right here. In my case, I'm going to be selecting the isometric fine profile. And then from there, we have the ability to select what size. You also want to make sure that you have selected threaded. Then here you have your class. So basically you could customize this to whatever you want to. You could customize the hole depth, the millimeters, the model thread, and more. Click on OK, and then simply right after you should be good to go. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.